have tasked two people, one on either side, to really come up with the agricultural solution. Senator Feinstein, all of you know, she is close to California agriculture. She understands California agriculture as well as I think most senators do. And a new counterpart, Senator Marco Rubio from Florida, conservative Republican, Cuban, but someone who's got standing in both the Hispanic community and also the conservative Tea Party community. That combination, I think, is absolutely key. Over the last 6 weeks, we have been meeting once a week with the senators personally. We've been meeting with their staffs a lot more frequently than once a week to try to hammer out an agreement. And when I say we, there are about 4 or 5 associations on one side of the table in agriculture, and then UFW, AFL-CIO, other labor representatives, farm worker justice, trying to see if we can get to an agreement on these 2 aspects of legalization. What do you do with the current population, and then how do you create a future flow program for new guest workers to come in? We're not there yet. I wish I could tell you we were, but these are difficult and contentious issues. I'm not sure we're ever really going to get a final agreement between ag employers and UFW in that setting. I think we needed bogey for some labor law negotiations. But I think you are likely to see out of the Senate a bill finally being introduced, probably in April, that will at least have an ag provision. It may split the baby between our 2 points of view on some key issues, but then we're going to be asked, how do we support that? How do we change it? Do we seek amendments? And then also, what are we doing in the House of Representatives? No more important issue. It's going to be here front and center the rest of this year. I think it's got to get done before fall, or else we don't get it done. And that's really the risk that we're under. If we are not able to get something pushed through, we may end up with a legalization bill and no guest worker, or there's a possibility you could get a guest worker and not allow the current workers to become legal. Either one is not a solution for ag. So let me just stop with that general overview and open it up to questions or comments. I know many of you are involved in this issue.